Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Because doing fantastic. Listen, listen, listen. Big news from my end. Big news in the markets. Big news overall, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I am moving my setup officially. Things got delayed by a little bit, but either tomorrow or in 2 days, you should see a brand new setup. We're getting back that microphone, ladies and gentlemen. Things are getting upgraded. I got myself a mini team, and I'm telling you, the rebrand is coming. Well, it's still going to be sniper related, but things are going to get improved. I promise you that. Anyways, let's talk about Cronos, okay? Crow, crypto.com coin. Guys, this thing has been going nuclear. When I mean nuclear, I mean nuclear. Within about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in about a week, it has spiked up 300 3.3 times. 3.3 times. Currently, right now, it is up 2.8 times. Guys, things are looking fantastic for this coin. Now, before you FOMO, just listen up. Now, there is some news that I found for this coin, but it wasn't anything crazy, okay? So when we look over here, in a remarkable rally, the native token of the Cronos and Crypto.com ecosystem, Crow, has seen notable gains reaching over 11 cents for the first time since June. Several factors have contributed to this surge, highlighting promising developments in market dynamics. Okay, so not telling us anything just yet. In terms of technical analysis, I mean, this is one of the most typical types of patterns, right? This is, if I could only get my marker, right? This is one of those like flags where it goes like this and it kind of moves in bursts, right? It bursted up. We've seen similar movement before where Crow has a burst of movement, right? It bursts up, kind of creates this triangle pattern, bursts up, kind of creates a triangle pattern. You guys get it. Look, we see it again here, right? A little burst up, then this one sold off more heavier, right? Because the context of the market was still, this is 2023, so, different times. But Crow has been moving like this for some time. Now, let's go back to the news, right? During the tumultuous, wow, what a word, period of the U.S. election fallout, Crypto.com CEO Chris unveiled an ambitious roadmap for the company, right? This plan details innovative enhancements such as new crypto products and integrated stock trading, along with comprehensive banking and card services. Now, that is pretty good. Level Up, a customer rewards program, is expected to debut shortly. Wow, okay. Following this, a web app and AI development tools on Cronos blockchain are slated for launch, guys. So you can see they are clearly innovating, right? They are clearly innovating, and that is good, right? That's what you want. That's the kind of news you want. That's the kind of things you like to hear from a coin. By 2025, the strategy includes expanding fiat slash on ramp growth and introducing a targeted reward program for Bitcoin enthusiasts. Furthermore, Crypto.com aims to attract institutional clients by providing solutions, and will launch advanced AI trading tools and its own stablecoin. Damn. Damn, I don't even remember this about crypto.com, guys. This is like all new, right? No, man. This is what happens when there's like literally 150 relevant coins and so many upcoming projects that sometimes you just miss out on news, right? Um, but yeah, guys, that is really, really good. No shit. It's been kind of pumping extra hard. I mean, damn. I, I I wasn't aware with your game. But anyways, guys, onto the technical analysis, right? What I think is going to happen with this coin, well, I do think there's probably going to be a little bit of a sell-off. Nothing too crazy. Historically, we have seen it sell off a good amount, right? If we go actually take the Fibonacci tool, take it from a relevant top to a relevant bottom, right? It sometimes even retraces all the way down. Now, I don't think that's going to happen now because of the context of the market, but I do think we probably would get a healthy 30 to 50% retracement. I would not be surprised if Crow, oops, if Crow comes back down to some key levels. Now, right away, let me just look where the previous top is on the 4 hour. right? So the previous top is roughly here, right? And then when we talk about lots and lots of structure, I want to give like a general big range somewhere here. Now, I do think it's going to have a little bit more of a deeper pullback before it expands once again, just because of the history of the coin, right? I'm not going to say it's going to go exactly like this, but I wouldn't be surprised if we roughly retrace around 50% this time around, right? 50% is just good enough. We're going to be entering a very, very big zone right here, maybe a spike, something like this, before we continue up. Now, the big question is, where is Crow headed? Well, guys, this thing is already at 5 billion market cap, okay? But if they want to become as big as they want to become, could they potentially 10x in this market, especially that institutions and countries and everything are getting involved? And I think the answer is yes, because their roadmap and everything they're saying looks promising as excuse me, as of right now. Now, all-time highs are roughly $1, and that would be roughly 25 billion market cap, which I think is pretty likely. I do think this coin will see um, equal highs at the minimum. Worst case scenario, I think it's going to sweep the highs before it would sell off. But in case it doesn't, I would not be surprised if this coin would see around 50 billion market cap, which would be roughly around $2 this time. Now, remember, guys, there's going to be so much more money involved in this market, especially that Trump won and America wants to get on top of this and be like number one and be the biggest. Even though other countries have got involved, you got to remember America kind of leads the way. So if America gives the green light, all the other countries are going to start, putting in money. You know, they're going to be buying and keeping money maybe in crypto.com. We don't know. And that is very, very big news. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll tell you guys next time.